In today's video, I'll teach you how to copy text from ChatGPT. First of all, what you have to do is launch open ChatGPT application, or you can also open ChatGPT on browser. You can see over here ChatGPT application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to ask for anything. What you have to do is simply tap on this bar of ask anything. Now over here, what you have to do is enter your questions or instructions. You can see over here I have entered this question. After you do that, tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now ChatGPT will generate the response for you. Simply wait for a while. After you get the response, what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the response. Now over here you'll be able to find various icons for copy, like, dislike, etc. Right over here you'll be able to find the copy icon. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here the text will be copied. Now you can simply go to the desired location. Here I'm just going to open the notes. Now you can see over here you'll be able to paste the text. So this is the text I just copied from ChatGPT. So like this you'll be able to copy. So that is how you copy text from ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.